Here, and I have once again teamed up with Fire Launchers to bring you a brand new launch that you are not going to want to miss. This one is called Buzzious. And yes, that's a cool name. It's going to continue in our line of bestsellers that we've had. You may remember some of our recent ones like Media Cloud Pro, huge bestseller. Courserious, another huge bestseller. Well, this one is even bigger and better. It's Buzzious. It is a viral news site creator. It is a web-based application. It can be used on any type of computer or device, and it is absolutely push-button simple. We have once again created something that people are really looking for, something that they are going to want to use, and is truly going to help their business. You've seen news sites before. Well, this is going to create a news site that your customer can have of their very own. Now it can be centered around any topic, right? You may be thinking, hey, there's a lot of news sites out there already. That's true. But this allows you to create niche news sites surrounding any specific topic, any keyword even. And you can then gather curated content from many different sources. And in fact, we've given you the ability to do that on autopilot. Let me tell you some of these sources. Places like Bloomberg, BuzzFeed, CNN, ESPN, Fox News, Google News, Medical News, TechCrunch, Huffington Post, Washington Post, Wall Street Journal, Wired, Mashable, Entertainment Weekly, CNBC, Business Insider, Associated Press, BBC Sport, ABC News, Reddit, and others. All these different sources are places that you can pull curated content from to build this viral news site on autopilot. But this is not just one of those push button autopilot sort of spammy type of site builders. For me to get involved in this project, I was I made it very well known that this has to be a high quality site builder, and it has to have the ability to do lots of customization to make these sites unique and to where they can actually rank well in Google, to where they're going to be helpful to end users, and Google's going to like these sites and rank them, and our customers can get lots of traffic and make lots of money from them. And so we've integrated many customization options into this platform. Everything from, of course, the content itself. All the content can be customized. You can add your own content. You can add basically any type of content, your own articles, videos, all kinds of stuff. To the text that's on the page, the pictures, the logo, all that kind of stuff. It's not like you just have the same site as everyone else. Okay, everyone's site is going to be unique, and you can create multiple niche viral news sites to pursue multiple niches. It's a great money-making opportunity. It's also fill in the blank simple. It's really, we've really streamlined it to where you can go in and basically choose a topic, choose your keyword, and you're not limited to just like a list of, topics that we've pre-programmed or something like that. You can pick any topic, you can type in any keyword essentially and build your viral news site around that keyword. So you can use this for list building. You can also, add your own posts and pages, which means you could even sell your own products from this. There are so many ways that you can use these viral sites. And in fact, we'll be including training, teaching our customers how to use them to build a business, and all the different ways that they can use to monetize them and get traffic, and then what they can do with that traffic. Really just a great opportunity. Once again, we're going to be doing a great JV contest. You've got the opportunity to win all kinds of cash. So it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be exciting. You've got the opportunity to make commissions. We also have a deep funnel. And in fact, like the first upgrade is really cool because it really has some powerful automation and additional customization features, right? So everyone's going to want those when they see them in the upgrade offer. They're going to want those automation features because it really allows them to, put this thing on autopilot and build their site more quickly and more powerfully and all that kind of stuff. So it's going to be a very effective funnel, to say the least. So go ahead and sign up now, get your affiliate link, and we really appreciate your support. Let's have a lot of fun. And again, the reason we're doing this is because customers are going to love it. We've created something that people are going to love. It's really going to help them. And we know that you're going to love it too, because it's going to put commissions in your pocket. Hey, thanks, guys.